Time now for Recipe of the Week, Kara.
Yes, so we know that you stayed home and decided to watch TV, so we're gonna try to make this fun for you. We're gonna make a cute snack you can serve at your holiday gatherings, or maybe just make it for the family, especially if you have little ones. They always love it when you make shapes with the food. These are called cream cheese penguins. Scott, wait, that's it's more advanced than what we were thinking.
All right, notice how they've cut the bottom, Kara.
Yeah.
Like this, the carrot slice is cut in half.
Okay, what'd they do? Oh, they put that around a bigger cheese ball.
A bigger cheese ball, so that you've got a bunch of penguins and a bigger cheese ball. All right, now the hardest part is getting the
cream cheese into the olive, we think.
Do we have the music? There we go.
We got 5 minutes. Okay, so we have some carrots here.
And
I'm gonna just try and like slice a few carrots because that's gonna be the base, it looks like. I wonder, do you keep them solid or do you slice to make feet?
I think you slice it in half.
To make feet?
Yeah, to make feet.
Okay.
So what I've done is I've sliced the olive. You come down and you slice, like right there. You see how I sliced the olive like that?
You have to do a little lengthwise, yeah.
You gotta do it lengthwise.
Okay.
And you come in here. Angelo has softened up the cream cheese for us. Thank you, Angelo.
Thank you, Angela.
Appreciate that. And then you stuff it.
This is the part that I don't know if we can get it to look as good as the picture where it all oozes out.
No, that's pretty good.
So I'm gonna try something new. So
look at that, Kara.
Yeah, that is pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Okay, so I already cut some carrots. Do you want feet?
Sure.
There's some feet. All right, so my olive, I sliced it open the way Scott did. I'm gonna just try a little different experiment. I wonder if I made the cream cheese like into a little ball first, if that would help.
Now, do you need a toothpick at this point, or you just?
I think when we assemble it, then we need it.
Okay, well, it's not kind of hanging. It's not really sitting well on.
I think it would help also just, I can tell just by doing this, it's a good thing the cream cheese is cold. If it was a little bit warm, that wouldn't work.
I'm sticking the toothpick in.
You do, oh, okay, already? So I'm gonna do the feet. Okay, we got the feet.
All right, well, there's my attempt at the feet.
Oh, good, okay. And
I think this is way too
I think I want to wait until the head. So the head is a smaller olive. So I'm going to poke it through. Can we see the picture again? Does the olive go sideways? I think the other one, the close-up. The close-up.
The head goes on sideways.
Okay. There's a close-up one that we had. Sideways?
Like that. Yep.
Okay. I'm poking the head first. And I'm going to stick it into the center of the olive. Oh, okay, I think that worked.
Can I have a carrot?
Hang on.
I'm just gonna not use.
Okay, I did. Oh, there he is. I saw him. Okay, wait, let me see. There's mine. He's looking okay so far.
Can I borrow a carrot?
My penguin's leaning a little.
Yeah, mine is too.
How do you make him? Oh, that one's kind of. All right, now we need something. How do you get that little beak on there?
All right, hang on a second.
Let me read the instructions. All right. Cut a slit, top to bottom, lengthwise of the olive. Slice the carrot into 18 quarter-inch. Okay, we sort of did that. Rounds. Cut a small notch out of each carrot slice to form feet.
All right.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to make another one.
No, mine
We
just
shouldn't
fell
separate
over.
it. We shouldn't separate it. You're supposed to make a round, and then just cut out a little notch, because then it tips over if it's separate.
That's
so
why
you do like that.
That's why oh, I see, for the feet.
Yeah. So okay, I'm going to do another one. We're learning as we go here. One of the comments in All Recipes says, after about 5 penguins, you get the hang of it. So let's see.
That's very clever, though. I see. That's very clever. So I'm going to take this off.
I kind of do think that making the ball helps, but that's.
See, my cream cheese is completely oozed out of the
cream cheese is definitely the hard part.
All right, that's not bad.
I wonder if you could just use like a piping bag.
Look how cute that is. Right?
Huh?
So now what do we need? The beak? The beak? How do you get the beak on?
I don't know.
Oh, you stick it in the hole?
It says, hang on. Set the big olive, large hole down onto the carrot slice, then set a small olive on it, then adjusting.
That thing's
so
got
that
eyes.
the beak, cream cheese, chest, and notch in the carrot slice secure with the toothpick.
That thing's got eyes, Karen.
I know. How did they do that?
I think they took cream cheese and they balled it up.
That's too hard.
Yeah,
How do you
let's
get
try.
I just want to get the beak. How would you get the beak?
Hang on 1 second. I'm going to give it eyes.
How'd you give it eyes?
They're really big eyes.
Oh, wait, I think that the beak can go in the hole of the olive, and then you've got to turn the head. There. Okay, look. I got my beak.
Oh, look at that.
You just put the carrot. The carrot goes in the little hole of the tiny olive. It's got like a hole punch.
All right.
All right.
I'm going with the eyes.
I think
here.
I'm not going to make eyes. Mine is not going to have eyes. Can I have a big olive, please?
Sure. Hang on a minute.
All right, so here we go. Okay, here's a big olive, here's a small olive. I think if you try this at home, it's easier to put the toothpick into the small olive first, then put it into this guy, and then put it onto the...
Wait a minute. It looks like an alien.
Maybe we should just make a monolith instead. Wait.
Oh,
Okay.
that's funny.
Okay, I like mine, but my penguin is tipsy.
I think.
He doesn't.
All right.